How would you react if someone told you that your name can influence your everyday choices as well as your life shaping decisions? Your name can powerfully affect your individuality, personality, and destiny. Often, your name is decided before birth and is subconsciously sensed or picked up by your parents. It is said that your name will carry the vibrational signature of your past, present, and future potentials. Friends, this is Dr. Neeti Sharma. I study and practice astrology, Vastu, palmistry, numerology, and other occult sciences. Friends, today I will tell you personality traits of persons whose names start with alphabet X. Great teachers and trainers. Through teaching, they are mainly facilitators in passing on knowledge. They take a keen interest in the development of personalities of their students so that they continue to take keen interest in the subject after teaching process is over. As a trainer, Alphabet X person focuses on a specific area of development. Greedy. The greedy person is too attached to his things and his money, or he desires more money and more things in an excessive way. Greed has unpleasant effects on our inner emotional lives, which people who keep trying to get more and more money are often accused by being greedy. Lack of discipline. Self-discipline is one of the most important requirements for achieving success, but too often there is lack of discipline with the person whose name starts with alphabet X. The lack of aimlessness, indecision, procrastination, disorganization, confusion, and eventually the tendency to give up or quit. Love comforts. Being comfortable means you just don't want to make the effort. Also, they prefer to be in the relationship that isn't demanding. It means being in a relationship to someone who doesn't push you to be anything other than yourself. They just want to be in a pleasant feeling of being relaxed and free from pain. Luxurious. Alphabet X person loves luxury lifestyle, means the way of living where you never feel of poverty. Rather, your surroundings will be covered by comforts and pleasure. They spend much more than necessary to cope their expensive taste. They are totally addicted to luxurious and expensive things. Indulgent. Indulgence is the behavior or attitude of X people who allow themselves to do what they want or who allow other people to do what they want. The act of doing something that you enjoy but that is usually thought of as wrong or unhealthy. Flirty. The X person constantly into catching the eye of someone across the room might be subtle flirtation rather than pure coincidence. They show non-verbal signs of romantic interest, could be actually flirting in a social and sexual behavior involving spoken or written communication as well as body language by one person to another, either to suggest interest in a deeper relationship with the other person or if done playfully for amusement. Fickle mind. Fickle-minded person is the one who is prone to casual change or inconstant. In short, the person is not able to concentrate on one thing. This type of person jumps from one topic to another without deciding, completing, or mastering in the earlier topic. Insincere. They often go from one relationship to another without really falling deeply in love. They sometimes tend to be not totally honest or sincere in their thoughts and feeling. Their behavior, those compliments and empty promises, is just an act with a purpose. Multitasking. They have the skill that someone has to do something very well that people usually like and that is difficult. These talents are created, not born, though they have to work very hard if they want to perform well. With their talent, they are known to draw on complex bodies of knowledge to solve specific problems. Friends, this is all for the persons whose name starts with alphabet X. Next, we will come up with the personality traits of the persons whose name starts with alphabet Y. Thanks for watching our video. Please subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon button, share and like the video.